Okay, hello. I'm going to be demonstrating how to create your own Landform Dictionary Flipbook. And what you're going to need is a blank piece of paper or a lined piece of paper. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be folding it hot dog style, so horizontally like this. So go ahead and fold your paper now. So it looks kind of like a hot dog. It's horizontal like this. And then our next step is we're going to fold this into thirds, which means you take half of it and you'll fold it like this. So it looks like you have two pieces here. And then we're going to fold this piece over as well and fold it into thirds like this. So it'll look like a square. So go ahead and do that right now. So it should look like this, a square that's in three pieces. We don't open the paper yet. So this is how I folded it into thirds to get a square. And then after that, we are going to fold this square into half. So we're going to fold it into a rectangle like this. Fold the square in half, and it should be a rectangle like this. So when I open it up completely, it should have 12 different sections. So 2 rows with 6 in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 12 here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to only cut following these lines down here to the center line. So I don't want to cut anything up here. I'm just cutting these tabs here. So go ahead and cut your tabs and make sure you stop cutting once you reach the center line. So that way, when I close the book, I'll open the tabs. I'll show you. I'm cutting it right here. Cutting the tabs, following the lines from when I was folding to the center, and then I stop right there. That. And I will, oops, this last part down here. Okay, so it should look like this when you finish cutting. So these all represent the different tabs. And once you're done cutting, you'll fold your paper back in half, and it should look like this. So this is your title. So here you'll write Landform Dictionary Flipbook or Landform Mini Dictionary or Landform Dictionary, whatever you want to put here, as long as you mention that these are about landforms. And then you will be putting the 5 different landforms we talked about in class. We had like mountains and hills and a valley and a plateau and plains. And then when you open this first tab, so say this is mountains, I will write a definition in my own words of what a mountain is and draw a little picture of what a mountain looks like. And for the extension, if you want to, on the back, I would put my map symbol for mountains. So for my example, I put 3 kind of giant A's and I call them the Rocky Mountains. So I know that's an actual mountain range. So you can Google an example for mountains and hills and valleys and plateaus and plains on the back if you want. But as long as you have the title, the names of the 5 landforms, and the definition and a picture inside, you'll be good to go. I hope this demonstration video helps, and I can't wait to see everyone's finished Landform Dictionary Flipbook. Have fun!